Over time, I have acquired different types of microphones for different purposes or simply because of unsettling each to have more options. I probably have more than what I should possess based on my needs, including these toys. But I have never actually had a legitimate handheld microphone system until Phenyx Pro reached out to me to try one of their all-in-one wireless microphone systems, the VHF wireless set that comes with different wireless peripherals. And man, let me tell you now, don't be fooled by its price tag. This thing is a real deal. They gave me the product for free, but they didn't pay me to do this review, so I have the freedom to deliver my honest thoughts and feedback on this product. I love karaoke and I do it quite regularly, so this is perfect for me. Let me show you first what's in the box. Of course, you have the manual, a brand sticker looking nice, the VHF wireless receiver, the headset microphone, the lavalier mic. And look at the size of it compared to my Rode LAV mic. It's rather big in my opinion. Of course, you also have two pairs of non-rechargeable AA batteries, the power adapter, a 1/4 inch audio cable that comes with 6.35mm to 3.5mm adapter, the body pack for the headset and the LAV mic, and of course the VHF wireless handheld microphone. Enjoy the close look at it. I may not gonna be needing to use the headset microphone at the moment, but I can already think of some situations that I can make great use of it. I've tried using it for the purpose of this video and the sound quality is quite impressive. How about the lapel mic or the lavalier mic? Equally amazing audio quality. The good thing is, this has a body pack for remote transmission that can throw audio signal to the 2-channel VHF or very high frequency receiver for a distance of up to 150 feet or around 46 meters. The models of Rode and Boya lapel mics that I have are not able to do that, but Comica can. However, they are more appropriate for video recording using mobile phones and digital cameras. This unit here is most useful for public speaking, stage presentations, or again, simply for karaoke. With a transmission range of up to 150 feet, walking into the audience when doing public speaking shouldn't be a problem. It is important to note, however, that this equipment cannot be directly connected to our common digital devices, including laptops or PC, tablets, and smartphones. This product is specifically designed to throw a live audio feed to audio devices like amplifiers, karaoke machine, or other speakers with 1/4 inch or 3.5mm audio jack inputs. In my case, I use a sound mixer from Yamaha when I do karaoke to get the best audio output out of this. When I feel like doing it, I easily plug this to one of my portable speakers, then I can do karaoke wherever and whenever I want. You should realize by now how much I love doing karaoke. I put the links to the products I mentioned in this video down in the description. And if you want to get yourself a unit of this Phenyx Pro to try it out, you can take advantage of the discount that is available through the very first link in the description of this video. You know what? Let me pin it in the comments. Now I know you've been waiting to know what is the audio quality like using the handheld microphone. Well, you've been listening to it from the very beginning of this video. No effects applied, no audio processing done. I don't know how to do that, so you tell me what you think. Now, before I proceed, let me switch to the LAV mic. Now, for me, here are the things that I like about this product. Number 1, it's very easy to use. Even though I have a fair collection of microphones, I am no way an audiophile. My knowledge about sounds or audios are just basics. I always use and read the manual, and good news, you have one here available for you to look at. Number 2, this is not the cheapest, but 60 quid for this whole unit, I would say is a very good deal. I mean, You still have the warranty for added peace of mind, but hey, 60 quid is a steal. Number 3. The sound quality should please the ears of the general public. Only people like us who are a little fussy about sound quality would notice the difference if compared to other brands. And it's simply because we have tried lots of other microphones and we have bases for comparisons. If you'll ask me, I use top model wireless handheld microphones from Sennheiser, Shure, and JBL, and this one doesn't sound too far different. Just a little bit different. And mind you, this isn't Phenyx Pro's top spec model for their handheld mic line of products. As to the weight of the handheld mic, it's not too lightweight that it can feel cheap, but it's got the right amount of weight, especially with the batteries installed, for you to feel that there's a substance in it and it won't just simply slide off of your hand. Number 4. You don't easily get acoustic feedback with this system. Well, at least for me who lives in a tiny 2-bedroom semi-detached English house. Whatever would that mean to you, but my point is acoustic feedback involves lots of factors like the size of the room, the speaker system you use, the volume settings and balance, the type of the walls, etc. Let's just move on to the last thing that I like about this product, and this is important. The input for the LAV mic and headset has a security component which would prevent your LAV mic or your headset's audio cable from getting pulled out or detached from your body pack. With a simple button, your audio cable will be latched into the microphone input quite snugly. I may sound very positive about this product, but there are a couple of things that didn't quite meet my expectations. Perhaps it's my expectations that need adjusting, but hey, I'm not perfect. Anyway, here we go. First of all, the receiver actually feels cheap. Hey, don't get me wrong, it does what it's supposed to do. But when you hold it on your hands and you feel the texture of its body, that gives quite an impression. Not a great one. It's so lightweight to the degree that the box itself feels hollow. And I would be very careful not to drop this even just from my waist height, because I don't know what's gonna happen. The 4 base legs are made out of foam material and not rubber, so it's less likely to stay in place if there's a sideways force applied to it. Before I move on to the second thing that I wish was done better about this product, what do you think about the sound quality of the LAV mic? All of these microphones don't have great wind or hiss sound filtering mechanism, like what you've just heard. But it's not too bad for its purpose, at least. And having mentioned that, here's the other thing that concerned me about this product. I wish it comes with a pop filter for the handheld mic, because it doesn't. And the reason why I hope it does is because the third thing that I don't quite like is the fact that the sound is not as clean as those branded ones. But it's only noticeable when I'm wearing earphones or headphones when listening to it. But when you listen to its audio output through a speaker, it is barely noticeable. There's a bit of noise, especially when you increase the gain, but again, it's only when you listen to it from a pair of headphones or when you record it in your computer, like this narration of this video. I guess among the 3 wireless microphones included in this package, the handheld microphone gives the best sound quality, especially if you put on a pop filter. And the worst, I guess, you're listening to it, the headset microphone. But again, it's only when you're recording it and listening to it through headphones or earphones. Let me just switch back to handheld mic. So what do you think, folks? Is this a yay or a nay? Let me know in the comments. As for me, even if I would have to purchase this using my own money, I won't feel bad spending £60 for this kind of quality and inclusions that I am gonna get from the box. And again, link and discount for this product is in the description, including all the other items featured in this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe now if you want more. And I'll see you on the next one. See ya.